In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a Buy Me a Coffee button on your Squarespace site. By the end, you'll have a working support button embedded on your page, using the official code from Buy Me a Coffee and Squarespace's built-in code block. Start by heading to the Buy Me a Coffee Studio dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Button and Graphics section. This is where you generate the embeddable widget. Click the option to generate a button or widget, then open the highlighted settings. Here, customize the button text to match your voice. Type a short, friendly call to action, like "Buy me a coffee," or whatever feels right for your brand. When you're happy with the wording, click Generate Widget. You'll see a snippet of code appear. Click Copy Code so it's saved to your clipboard. We'll paste it into Squarespace in a moment. Now switch over to your Squarespace site. From the Pages panel, open your home page and click Edit to enter the page editor. Add a new section where you want the button to live, and choose a blank layout for a clean start. Inside that new section, click Add Block. Use the search field to find the code block by typing Code, then select it to insert the block into your section. The code block comes with a little placeholder content, usually something like a Hello World line. Click into the code area, remove the placeholder, and paste the code you copied from Buy Me a Coffee. If the editor shows a notice or the widget doesn't immediately render, click Preview in Safe Mode. Safe Mode helps you test embeds without interference from other custom scripts or conflicting code. If you need to tweak anything, toggle back to the Code tab to confirm your pasted code looks exactly as provided, with no extra characters or spaces added. At this point, your widget is embedded. Click Save to apply your changes to the page. When you view the live site, the button should appear and open your Buy Me a Coffee link when clicked. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or try a private window to bypass any caching. You can reposition the section or add the code block to other pages using the same process. Keep in mind that styling, placement, and behavior are controlled by the widget settings you generated on Buy Me a Coffee, so make adjustments there and recopy the code if needed. That's it. Your Buy Me a Coffee